Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I wanted to try on some knee-high socks that were sent to me by my Twitch mod, Jedi Joda. Shout out Jedi, thank you so much. So let's jump right in and show them off. Luckily I have them here. Classic white knee-highs. We'll start with something basic. I think this came in a 2-pack. Oh, they're really lovely, aren't they? They have this nice design to them, and they're thick and well made, but they're not too thick, right? Like these you could definitely wear with boots or just wear around the house and not get too hot. And then it came in the 2-pack with this black pair. Aren't they just so cute? And they're just long enough at the top to come up high or roll them down if you like that look. I think knee-high socks are really having a moment right now, and especially because it's about to be the colder months. It's the perfect time to get another pair of knee-high socks. These are from a different retailer, but they're obviously maroon, wine color, or even more like a brown. And I think these are even longer. Wow, look how high those go. Here, I'll put both of these on. They go all the way up. Gotta make sure you line up the toe. Wow, those are super cute. Check out the details. Perfect color for fall. Now these last two are a little different. These are not your classic comfy knee-high socks that you can wear out. These are more like a sock boot. It's really thick knit fibers. You would have to have some really loose boots. So I guess if you had a pair of boots that were too big, you could wear these. But I like to wear these to bed, since I don't always like to wear pants to bed, but I like my feet and my legs to be warm. Especially since I started running 5 kilometers lately. I've been training 5Ks and my legs get super sore. It's important to keep my calves and my ankles all really warm. And there you have it. These are for rocking around the house, and the yellow is just fun. Oh, I guess I catch. And I have one more pair like that. And thank you, Jedi, for sending me these in the summertime. I'm finally getting to use them now that it's colder out. Let's try these red ones. I feel like bright red is not a winter color, but I guess this is a Christmas color. So same as the yellow, these are really thick, really thick. Matches my lips. They're so cute. So I don't know what these are called. I guess thick, heavy knit socks? Sock boot? I live in Los Angeles, California, but it does get kind of cold in the winter, so I'm happy. Thank you so much, Jedi, for sending these. And as a reminder, if anybody else is going to send me stuff from my wish list, if you send me like a bunch of the same type of item, I would love to make it into a try-on video here for YouTube. So hope to see you check it out. My links will be down below. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And if you really want to support me, go ahead and check out Patreon and show some support there. I really appreciate you guys.